discovered, the insurgents at the time murdered his entire family. So the U.S. forces evacuated the guy. Turns out he's an electrical engineer. He's working for Eastman in Buffalo, New York. He came out here and set up the CNC cutting machine. It's a brand new piece of equipment. It's about 100 grand. And basically this table over here is a CNC table cutter, and it cuts fabric, fiberglass cloth and fiberglass mat, headliner. It cuts quite a bit of our molded component fabric. And then these molds here, we have more in the room in here, and we have a shaping bay upstairs. Basically, we're shaping the molds. We make the molds ourselves. Every shape that we sell, we made the shape. We made the plug, we made the mold, and we made the part. These parts are laid up. They're basically gel-coated in the mold. You wax the mold, gel-coat it. You lay in the fabric, and you mix up the resin. You roll that out. When they kick, they go over to the robot. Right behind in this blue room, you guys can't see quite yet, is a CNC robotic trimming machine, and it trims the pieces out. And I'm sorry it's a little crowded here. We're almost finished. We can keep walking to the next area. Cody's got to cover up the CNC. So we CNC cut it, we mold it by hand, and then we CNC trim it. So one of my favorite lines is, you know, if the part's a little bit off, putting it on your car, it's a little bit off on all of them. The robot does a fantastic job of consistency, of reproducibility and reliability, R&R. Molding's a tough job, and if I could ask you to indulge me, this is hot, it's nasty, there's tough chemicals involved. Is Mark Vine here? Mark and Cody, who do all our master molding. I just want to say thank you for your hard work. You know, people drive by a skyscraper today and they you know, respect the lawyers and the paper traders inside, but they don't mention the steel workers that put the building up. You know, these guys are laying the fabric and working on a 95-degree day with Tyvek on, and those parts that they're making are going out the door to someone who's building their own car. So, you know, respect for labor is core to what we do here at Factory 5. So, any questions quick? I know it's crowded, so we're going to go. Are you doing a